Good evening, friends. I'm very happy and delighted to share with you some of my personal experiences in learning art. And one such experience was recently when I attended a 4-day pastel workshop of great artist Mr. Parag Borse. This was 4-day workshop and was 3 hours each day from 9 to 12 p.m. And I must say it is one of the best moments of learning art that I ever had. Parag is a great artist and also a very great teacher. I must say the way he walked us through the steps in doing pastel work, and you can see right behind me, this is the work that we did in his workshop, and I could not believe that it was the outcome of my work. Pastels is very fascinating medium, and I remember having invited Parag to a couple of my art camps in Jaipur, and when he did the pastel work, I was mesmerized by his work. In my heart of hearts, I always wanted to learn pastels because I was dabbling with pastels more as a novice. But after attending this workshop, I knew what power is there in pastels and how it enables one to express oneself through art. As an artist, I would say it's very important that each one of us should experience different mediums of art. Watercolor is very different and very versatile. Oils is again a very, very beautiful medium. Acrylics has its own charm and very convenient and comfortable to work with. And pastels, charcoal, graphite is another medium which I feel is something which is good for a person to begin with, because everybody starts with a sketchbook and pencil, and drawing becomes very, very basic in any form of art. Of course, one learns the colors, color mixing, the color sense, and the composition, the perspective, all comes later. But as an artist, I think Parag Borse workshop is a must for every artist, is a must for every beginner. And I think it's a medium which one can dabble continuously over a long period of time. Yes, you need special papers for pastel works and good quality pastels, but once you acquire them, the further costs are not too much as you see in oils or in other mediums. So it is quite comfortable that every artist can afford it, every person can afford it and try. And I would suggest that everybody should go through Parag Borse's workshop. And me, for myself, I'm looking to the next one. I'll show you some of the works which I did after his workshop. You can see a couple of them behind me. And there are another 2 or 3 which I have done after his workshop, and there are a few more which I'm doing, and I'm still debating what comes next. It's almost as if I've got hooked onto pastels. My last few months or weeks have been after September. Ever since I did this workshop, I think I've hooked on and I've not touched any other medium, although I do water, I do oils, and I do acrylics as well. But yes, pastels has become my hotspot favorite. And I'm sure you will also continue with your art journey, dabbling with different mediums, learning and being a student forever. I think there is a lot that we can share, we can enrich from each other's techniques, from each other's learning. And Parag is a very, very professional artist, but I must say an outstanding teacher. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Parag Borse for all his effort and initiative, and looking forward to much more work from him. Thank you.